I'm not myself an aggressive trader, but yes, on the intraday level, you have to be a little fast and a little aggressive on the movements that you're making. Of course, while making your structure, you have to be precise on the correct technicals that you are having. If you're basically depending on the fundamentals, it's also good because it can help you to get a confirmation of the technical trend that you have created, right? So let's have a look how you can be aggressive while into a trade. The market created a resistance here. Simple resistance. Market was coming down and then it created a resistance. While it created a resistance, it also created a trend, an uptrend here, a small uptrend if you can see, right? This area. So now because of the small uptrend we created, what we have to do is, if we are very aggressive, we just have to wait. We have to wait for the market to break out. And after the breakout, what we will do, we cannot enter here. You remember, right? I taught you in the last episodes, the pause and go thing. Yes, the same thing we will do. As soon as the market will pause somewhere, we will enter into that area, stop loss as the low of that candle and extreme high as our TP. Understood? And this is also very interesting. If you follow these patterns, you will get plenty of charts and plenty of trades every day on different charts. I mean, these are the ones which I have experienced in my lifetime with gold. These patterns on gold work very well. They work on USD JPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, and crude oil. They work a lot. Even on the cryptocurrencies, they work a lot. So what is left? Let's move ahead and check out the same thing with on the bearish aggressiveness. So being aggressive for a bearish trade, market is up, coming down. You cannot just aggressively trade here. It is a support. It is a support. We need to wait for the market to break the support. Once the support is broken, we need a strategy to enter. And what is the strategy? The pause and go strategy. Market again paused here and we entered at this place. Entry point, stop loss, extreme TP. Got it?